I was at work one day and I walked outside and just this older guy, he walked up to me and he goes, "Is this it?" What's going on, guys? Wanye Films, back with another vlog. As promised in the last vlog, I told you I had something in the box, so today I'm gonna reveal what's in the box, and that's what I'm doing right now. Just a quick reminder, before opening the box, I told you guys when they sent me the box, they sent it with like this Ninja Turtle theme and Nickelodeon. I don't know what that's about, but I did open the box already, as you've seen in the last vlog, and it is indeed the product that I bought, so that was a little relief right there. But yeah, diving in. I needed a monitor, you know, for my camera. That way I'd be able to see what I'm vlogging. You know, just with the Sony a6300, it was kind of hard to see myself because the LCD screen on the back doesn't flip up or flip out. So that's all it was. I highly recommend this. It's a 4K monitor, as you can see right there. And yeah, let's just dive right in. It's made by, I forgot the name of the people that bought it. It's so weird that they don't have the name on the box, but I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can check it out, maybe buy it if you need it. All right, but yeah, this is it right here. I'll just open the box up real quick and then I'll just move on. Got a little shade to cover, sunshade. I'm not gonna open it yet. I'll leave that for a more in-depth review. Right now I'm just showing you what it is and how it looks. And when I come back and give a review, I'll then show you. It takes the same battery as my light panel, so that's awesome. But these batteries burn quick, so hopefully it doesn't burn quick with this monitor here. It comes with an HDMI cord. This is the cord right here, and then also this is what goes on the camera, hooks onto that, whatever. Like I said, I'll do a more in-depth review. For now, that was it, guys. This is the monitor I got for my camera. It looks a lot bigger in person. Oh, battery's at 100%, sweet. Man, I'm loving this new monitor I got. It's very, very convenient. You'll probably notice me looking up. That's just me looking at the monitor. One thing I found out today is that they're coming out with a new Gopro Hero 7 Black. I got the 5. I didn't get a chance to get the 6, but I might go ahead and get the 7 because Casey Neistat, he left a review on his page and I checked it out. And Yeah, guys, I'm over here feeding the birds, as you can maybe see. Hey, come here. Alright, that's it, guys. I think this is where I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. Just something I was thinking about earlier. There was a point in time where I didn't have any of this. My camera, the monitor, any of it. Not even a laptop, none of that. I was at work one day and I walked outside and just this older guy, he walked up to me and he goes, "Is this it?" I'm like, "Is this it? What do you mean?" He goes, "Is this what you want to do for forever?" And I stopped and I'm like, before I can even answer, he goes, "What is it that you want to do?" Instantly, the only thing that came to mind is what I've always wanted to do, and that is take photos and do videos. And I told him that. I said, "I want to be a photographer." He goes, "You can be a photographer as long as you put in the work. If you're willing to put in that work, you can be it." He goes, "You're gonna hit bumps in the road." He said, you're gonna run into forks and you're gonna hit, it's gonna be this the whole way there. It's up to you to determine if you're down for the ride." And that right there, as cliche as it sounds, I needed to hear that because it took me to another level. And I was already at a high level of wanting these things, but I knew, that's when I knew I had to get it. I had to get a camera. I had to get a laptop. I got into like this tunnel vision and I got it. I seen my way through, and now I'm creating what I love to do. This guy also told me that he's from New York and he's down here on a business meeting, and he said he doesn't do this no more, but he used to design artwork for Chris Brown. He said Mariah Carey, one other person that he named. And I asked him why he doesn't do it no more, and he didn't really give me a solid answer. He's a very old guy now. He's an older guy. I imagine he retired or something. But he said, he did say that he was out here on a business trip, so I don't know what it is that he does now, but I'm telling you, I had to meet this guy. There was a reason why I met him, and I had to hear that. I don't know, guys. Now I'm just rambling on, so I guess I'll end this vlog right here. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead, give me a like, comment below. As I said earlier, you know, if you guys are the type that'll go out and buy anything, I want to know. I mean, I'm not saying I do that, but sometimes I want it. That's just how it is. I mean, I know I'm not the only person like that, so comment below, let me know. But yeah, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll check you guys out in the next vlog. Alright? Peace out, guys.